In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a scenario in Make. Sharing scenarios can be incredibly helpful for collaborating with team members or showcasing your work to others, so let's dive right into it. First, we need to head over to Make. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Make's official website. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to sign in using your account credentials. Now that we're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and locate the Scenarios tab. Click on it to open the list of your existing scenarios. This is where you can manage all your current projects. Once you're in the Scenarios section, browse through the list to find the specific scenario you want to share. Click on that scenario to select it. You'll notice that each scenario card has a three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options or Kebab menu. Click on this icon to unveil additional options for your chosen scenario. With the scenario options now expanded, look out for the Share button. Click on it, and this action will take you to a new page dedicated to sharing this scenario. If you see a pop-up message, simply click Dismiss to proceed. No need to worry about it, it's just a notification. Now we're in the Share Scenario section. Here, you'll see a toggle labeled Public Scenario Page. Clicking this toggle will instantly make your scenario accessible to anyone with the link. This is a crucial step if you intend others to view or utilize your scenario outside of your immediate team. Next, you'll be presented with a couple of choices. You can opt to copy the link to your scenario, which is particularly useful if you plan to share it directly through email or a messaging platform. Alternatively, there's an option to customize the public details of your scenario. Customizing allows you to tailor what information is visible when others access your scenario. Once you've made your choice, there's a back button for you to click. This will take you back to the previous page, presenting you with yet another opportunity to share your scenario, this time via social media. Sharing on social media is perfect for reaching a wider audience or engaging with a community interested in your work. After sharing, you might want to revisit your previous page to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can check how your scenario page will appear to others by clicking on the Preview the Page option. This final step allows you to verify that everything looks good before fully sharing your scenario with the world. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of sharing a scenario in Make. Whether it's for collaboration, feedback, or merely showcasing, sharing scenarios effectively opens up a world of opportunities for interaction and growth. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.